message for Governor Dayton?
We do.
Do you think he's going to see it?
He knows.
Morning.
Good morning.
Save the birds.
It is a message to Governor
Do you
Dayton.
think he's going to see it already?
I think so.
He's down the street. Well, I talked to people across the street about it. I got the general drift of it. You have quite a turnout.
Yeah, I think it was very last minute that we decided that this would be a good thing to do. So, it's a very dedicated group of people.
Don't you wish it was snowing?
Oh, yes.
I support the cause. I'm really here for the Independence Party protest of Anna Nicholas exclusion, but I think they could chip in and make a bird-safe building if they wanted to.